These are the steps to register on Bybit affiliate program. So you click on this more icon, then you scroll down and click on affiliate program. Wait for it to load. Then you click on join our affiliate program. Then you scroll down. Then you fill in your YouTube channel link. Paste your YouTube channel link here. Then you choose your language. As you can see, I choose English. Then you choose your country, the country you're from. Fill in, okay. Then you fill in your name. So me, I'll use Tech Boy. Then next, you fill in your email. Then you choose your means of contact, either through WhatsApp or Telegram. As for me, I choose WhatsApp, so I put in my WhatsApp number. Put in your own WhatsApp number. Then after this, you select your referral code. You put your referral code. After filling your referral code, all you need to do is to click agree and click submit. After you submit, you wait for Bybit to contact you. After they have contacted you, then all you need to do is to copy your Bybit affiliate referral link, share alongside with your YouTube content and to your TikTok page content. Then from there you'll be earning from it. So thank you so much for your time. Please don't forget to like, share this video.